Tired of waiting ages for your Beam wallet funds to hit your bank account? You're not alone. Let's dive into the simple steps to withdraw your money quickly and easily. Beam is a fantastic platform, but sometimes you need that cash in your bank account, pronto. Whether it's for bills, that dream vacation, or just some well-deserved retail therapy, we've got you covered. In this video, I'll guide you through the straightforward process of withdrawing your Beam wallet funds to your bank account. Step-by-step guide. Log in. First things first, log into your Beam wallet account using your credentials. Make sure you're on a secure network. Navigate to withdrawal page. Once logged in, look for the withdraw or cash out option. It's usually located in your wallet dashboard or under account settings. Enter withdrawal amount. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Double-check the amount before proceeding to avoid any errors. Select bank account. Choose the bank account you want the funds transferred to. Ensure the account details are correct to prevent delays. Review and confirm. Carefully review the withdrawal details, including the amount, bank account information, and any applicable fees. Once everything looks good, click Confirm or Submit. Important considerations. Processing time. Withdrawal processing times can vary depending on your bank and Beam's processing speed. Generally, it takes 1 to 3 business days for the funds to reflect in your bank account. Fees. Be aware of any withdrawal fees that may apply. These fees can vary depending on the withdrawal amount and your chosen withdrawal method. Security. Always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be wary of phishing attempts. Troubleshooting tips. If your withdrawal is delayed, contact Beam customer support immediately. They can investigate the issue and provide assistance. If you encounter any errors, double-check all entered information for accuracy. If the problem persists, reach out to Beam support for guidance. Withdrawing your Beam wallet funds to your bank account is a straightforward process. By following these steps and keeping security in mind, you can easily access your funds whenever you need them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.